If you're looking for a couple of fun potato recipes that are whole food, plant-based, no oil, then stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN. On my channel you'll find whole food, plant-based, no oil, gluten-free recipes that are quick and easy. If that sounds good to you, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. Please follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content, and check out the links below for my e-guide, my newsletter, my Facebook group, and my brand new online course. So today I'm going to be showing you 2 potato recipes. These are quick and easy, they're kind of fun. The first one's going to be potato pizzas, and the second one is going to be potato croutons. So let's get started. Now these potato pizzas are just a fun little snack. This isn't going to be a meal or anything. Be a fun little appetizer. I just came up with these the other day and they were really, really good. So I have a pre-baked potato here. Actually, these were potatoes I made in my Instant Pot, but you could use pre-baked. And then we're just gonna slice them up. So you've got like 4 little, well, 4.5 vehicles for your toppings and such. But first we're going to put these in the air fryer so they get nice and crispy. And I'm just going to season them with a little garlic salt. A little onion powder. And I'll flip it over and do it the same on the other side. You can even put some on the skin here, that's fine. Alright, I'm going to put these into my air fryer at 400 for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to show you a quick little pizza sauce I'm going to whip up. Now while our little potato pizzas are cooking, I'm going to make a really quick sauce. I'm just using some tomato paste, a couple tablespoons. And then I'm using a little Italian seasoning. And then a little bit of water to kind of thin it out. And we'll just stir it up. Now you can make this sauce however you'd like. You can add more spices, but I'm just keeping it super simple. And I like my sauce nice and thick like this. If you want it a little thinner, then add more water. Alright, let's grab our little pizzas out of the air fryer. As you can see, these came out nice and crispy, and we're just going to spoon a little bit of our sauce onto each one. Alright, then I'm just going to add some simple toppings. I've got a little bit of olive here. You know, nothing super fancy, just real simple. And then I've got a little bit of mushroom. I forgot about this guy. A little bit of mushroom. Anything, you know, that you feel like needs to be used up in the old fridge, like these mushrooms were definitely needed to be used up. And then just a little bit of bell pepper. I'll put a couple on each one. And then I'm just going to put these back into the air fryer carefully for just a couple minutes, and then we're going to drizzle on a little cheese sauce. So here's our little potato pizzas, and then I'm just going to drizzle on a little bit of my cheese sauce, the plant-based cheese sauce. And how cute are these? And these are just something fun to do with your pre-baked or pre-cooked potatoes. Alright, let's give them a taste. Alright, so we have finished product here, and this is just something fun to do with your potatoes. So let's try this little one. Perfect. The potato is such a perfect little vehicle for the sauce and the cheese and the veggies. So let's go make those croutons. Okay, to make our potato croutons, we're going to be using another pre-cooked potato, and we're just going to cube it up. And then you're just going to place in a bowl. You want to leave the skins on because that's going to add just extra crispness. And I love these to top, you know, my salad, of course. What else are croutons for? I'm not sure. So these are definitely a better option than just your store-bought croutons. And they're gluten-free. They're going to be oil-free. Then we're going to season it up with my usual trifecta: garlic salt, onion powder, and smoked paprika. You can do whatever combo you want of spices. These are just always my favorite. And then just toss them. And I'm going to put these in the air fryer at 400 for about 6 to 8 minutes. Keep an eye on them because they will burn. While the croutons are cooking, we're going to get our salad together. So I've got some romaine lettuce here. Put that in the bowl. And add a little bit more. That's not quite enough salad for me. And now adding some more veggies. I've got some red cabbage, shredded carrot, some bell peppers. These were left over from the potato pizza, so why not throw them in? We've got tomato. I normally put in some cucumber, but I am totally out, which I cannot believe. I like to pour my dressing on first and toss the salad and then add the croutons. So we got a little bit of my, well, it's not mine, it's Dr. Goldner's Caesar dressing. So the salad is all nice and tossed, coated with the dressing. And here's our little croutons. You can hear how crispy they are. So just add a few to your salad, or as many as you'd like. And this way you're getting your starch and your veggies all in one. Let's give this a taste. So here we go, finished product. Got those beautiful potato croutons on top. Now if you want to mix them in with your dressing, go right ahead. I like the contrast. So good. And they really just they took like 6 minutes. I love that Caesar dressing. I'll leave the recipe below. And I will leave all the recipes below for the potato pizzas and for the potato croutons. And please check out the links in the description box, as I mentioned in the intro. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with potatoes, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate your support with that. Remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you. If you're looking for a couple of fun, whole food, plant-based, no oil recipes with potato. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based, oh my god. So today I'm going to be showing you 2 recipes that are kind of fun. I just kind of made up